Hello guys, Action Gaming here. So we lost earlier today. Lakers minus 9.5. They didn't able to cover. They only won by 2 points. So let's move on. So we're at 10-3. 10-3. 10 wins, 3 losses. So I didn't make presentation today because I always lose. All those 3 loss came from when I make some presentation, so I'll just make a reel today. So we're ads hunting. So my featured game for today is Sacramento Kings versus the Timberwolves, Minnesota Timberwolves. It's spread Kings minus 9 plus 9.5, Timberwolves minus 9.5. So we're gonna pick the Minnesota Timberwolves minus 9.5, or rather minus 9 only. So I have bet on minus 9. So we're gonna pick Timberwolves minus 9 because why? Because they always cover when they face the Sacramento Kings, even though they lost last time against the Phoenix Suns by only 1 point. They blew up 8 points within 50 seconds. So 8 points lead within 50 seconds remaining on the game clock. So I think they will bounce back very hard today. So for me, Minnesota Timberwolves minus 9.5, and especially with the Kings without Demonta Sabonis, it's a uh, big loss for the Kings. So for me, Minnesota Timberwolves minus 9.5. That's all guys. Thank you.